Welcome to Dashcam Info. My name is Dirk and this is the iZeeker GD100. It's perfect for all friends of simplicity. It is a single dashcam that goes here in the front and it can be installed with a suction cup. I like this so much because it's easy to install and easy to remove. So if you, for example, have a rental car for the moment and you want to drive with a sense of security, then this is so easy to install it and then to take it off and to put it in your car. Or if you have a loaner and your car is in a shop, you can take it out of your car, put it in the loaner and later on put it back in your car. Super easy to install, and we're going to take a look at the unboxing, the installation, and of course footage by day and also by night. My curious cat Kiwi helps me with the unboxing. The first thing that we see and that I like a lot is that we get a USB micro SD card reader and also a pin to take the micro SD card out or to push it back in. We also get a tool for cable management. Here's the suction cup and this is the power adapter with a USB to USB-C cable. Of course, there's also some paperwork. And here's the star of the show, the dashcam. There's a protection film on the lens and also on the display to remove. On top we have the USB-C port for the power and the connection for the suction cup. On the right side we find the up menu, down and the power or OK button. On the left side is the slot for the micro SD card and the 32 GB card is already included. Here I connect the camera to the suction cup. Also here is a protection film to remove. Next I line it up and press it against the windshield. And now the only thing that's left to do is to connect the USB-C cable to the dashcam. Powering it on for the very first time, we have to do some basic settings. The language, the date, and we also have to format our micro SD card. On the right side we press the button with the 3 bars and we get to the menu. Everything from here is self-explanatory and easy to control and to set up. You can go up or down, and you can confirm your selection by pressing the orange button OK. This dashcam records in 2.5K, 2560 by 1440. Pressing the menu button again gets us back to the main screen. And now it's time for me to show you footage by day. This dashcam currently retails at $39 and sometimes you might even get a coupon and you will be able to pick it up for only 29 bucks. And therefore I have to say it is much better to drive around with a dashcam that is cheap rather than having no protection at all and having no dashcam. The location of the micro SD card is very convenient because it's easy for you to remove it or to put it back in place. And I noticed when I took it out of the dashcam right after driving, it was not super hot. It was a bit warm, but less hot than in any other dashcams that I've ever tested. And this is a good thing because that guarantees a longer lifespan for your micro SD cards. And now let's take a look at footage by night, again in 2.5K. And I have to say that at night it does a decent job. Much better than I would expect from a $39 dashcam. Now, after watching the review, what are your thoughts on the iZeeker GD100? Is this the right dashcam for you? Please let me know in the comments below all your questions and suggestions. I'll definitely respond. Thanks so much for watching this. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.